Assalamu alaikum. 2 billion Muslims believe in strict monotheism, one God.
Oh, bro, they're just raised that way. It's blind faith.
No, and I understand why you think that. It's not your fault. They just fed you lies. The truth, we believe in one God because it's a bulletproof, rational belief. It's mathematically and logically sound. Once we walk through it, you'll never see it the same again. Imagine a tree. At the top, Allah the Exalted or God. Go left? Well, okay, good, we agree. Go right, and the claim, there are many gods. Astaghfirullah. Let's say one God is stronger than the rest, meaning they're unequal. What's the problem? Well, if your definition is based on power, what makes the weaker gods any different from us? Can you be a god? Obviously not. Okay, backtrack. Say the gods are equal. Now we have two cases. They either agree or disagree. This leads me to Burhan at-Tamanur, the logical proof from mutual disagreement. There's two scenarios. Number one, they choose to disagree, or number two, they are unable to agree, leading to them opposing each other. Covering scenario number one, let's say there's a coin flip. God A says it'll be heads and God B says it'll be tails. What happens then? There's only three options. Oh, both wills occurred? That's a contradiction because a coin flip can't be both heads and tails at the same time. Oh, neither occurred? Then they're both powerless. Oh, one's will did occur, but not the other? Then one God is inferior and false. Now backtracking, let's say they are unable to agree. Well, that's easy. They're not all powerful then because they're false gods. A true God can do anything. Now what if the multiple gods always agree? Then that leads us to Burhan at-Tawarud, a logical proof from mutual agreement between the gods. There's two scenarios. They either must agree, which is a contradiction because why is a god being forced to do something? Or they always choose to agree. So okay, they like each other, they never argue or fight, and always choose to agree. A and B agree to create something. A's will occurs on 100% of what is being created, and B just agrees. Well then B is a false god because B is just a bystander, and B's sovereignty is limited by not doing anything. And vice versa if A was the bystander instead. A god isn't a spectator. Also, if they always will the same thing, then you could also say their wills are indistinguishable, meaning you're not talking about two separate deities, but actually one deity with different names. Okay, now what if they split it like a Western couple, 50-50? A creates half and B creates half. Then they're both false gods because their wills are limited to only half. There's no situation where it works out. But for argument's sake, let's say both their wills occur. Well, they can't both will 100% of the creation, meaning they must either limit each other or only act when they agree, which limits them. So yeah, no matter what path you take, you end up realizing that only one true God can exist. You could try to be that one philosophical guy that wastes time hating and coming up with challenges to this proof's premises, but its logic is free of flaws and has been for about 800 years since it was formulated by Islamic scholars. So you'd be trying to escape a steel cage with an impenetrable foundation. It just won't work. Did this make you think? It probably did. So like, comment, and sub. Assalamu alaikum.